Wilkies Pool is approximately 20 minutes walk from the visitor centre at Dawson Falls. Lovely walk through native bush into the Goblin forest, as it's called, and then onto the boardwalk, and if you're lucky you might see Mount Taranaki. As you cross the swing bridge on the left, you'll get a great view of Wilkies Pools. And continuing on, I did the whole loop, which I think was about 1 hour and 20, passing a number of minor waterfalls on the way. One, of course, went across the track and was rather slippery. Had I known how wet it was, I would have bought some poles, because they would have come in handy when I had to do a river crossing that I didn't know about. All in all, it was a great